Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're building out courses or setting up funnels, LearnWorlds is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, learnworlds.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up and create an account, you're going to click on this button here, start a free trial. All right, once you do that, you're going to get the sign up screen. So you're going to go ahead and enter in your email address, and you're going to create a school URL. Alternatively, you can go ahead and sign up with your Google login. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use my email. Okay, entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, start your 30-day free trial. Okay, in order to create your account, they're going to ask you a few questions. So what is the name of your school? So we'll do Make Money Anthony. And then here you want to go ahead and create a password. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so the cool thing about LearnWorlds is they have a lot of different templates for your courses or for your school. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one lines up with your brand. So for me, I kind of like this one. So let me select and continue. Okay, next, LearnWorlds is going to ask a few questions about what your objective is. So for me, I'm going to sell courses to individuals. Do you have any experience? And then your role, how many people are in your organization, and then what are your topics. So once you fill that out, go ahead and click on finish. Okay, next it shows you this pop-up. So you can go ahead and book a call with one of LearnWorld's assistants, or you can go ahead and explore by yourself, which is what I'm going to do here. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here into my dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start building out my courses, setting up my email funnels inside of LearnWorlds. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.